Good evening, y'all. Good evening, y'all, and welcome to another video of Sean and his house. I know I do need to work out some more, which is sort of the reason why I'm wanting to make a dedicated computer, keep a dedicated computer to go there. And of course I have my laptop there for watching at night. And over here is my gaming computer, my main gaming computer with the GTX 1080 and the i7 6800K. But today what I'm going to be doing is my secondary gaming computer that I had down there. I have it right here. And of course here, I already pulled these out. These were right here. Basically got it for $40. It's a Core 2 Quad. I don't know if you can see it there. Yeah, it's a Core 2 Quad Q9550, I believe. It's a Asus p5b Premium. Yeah, it looks like it even supports SLI, which I don't think I need that. And for some reason they have SATA ports here, and then they have another SATA port way over here. I'm not sure what's the cause of that. But here's something I never seen. It's actually got a blur style on the chipset. That's something I never really seen before. Apparently it's like a heat pipe here. So I got the CPU, I got these two sticks, like 800 megahertz DDR2, 4 gigabytes, 4 1 gigabyte modules. And of course it came with this cooler here. It's like pure copper, so that's nice. Of course this fan's gonna go on top, so I'll pop open this case. And of course here's the AMD Phenon I have. And yep, it's basically 750 watt PSU. Here's my GTX 285, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pull this motherboard out, and I'm gonna put this motherboard in its place and pair that with the GTX 285. And I think this motherboard, I'm gonna stick in that white case over there and pair that with that AMD HD 7450, something like that. And that's what I'm going to be using with my exercise bike. So, but this is going to be my secondary one. So, I'll go ahead and start disconnecting these. Shouldn't be much to it. Hey, it's like a split in two there. This plug that comes out. I guess just in case if you have an older motherboard, I guess that's why they have that. And then for many newer motherboards that might need extra power, I guess they keep that. And I guess the ribbon cable for the floppy drive. Not that I really use it, but it's there anyways in case if I need it. Yep, floppy cable. And some reasons, I think this also has two 6 pins. also has another plug here. Seems like the Core 2 quads might have used more power than the Phenoms. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but I guess there's another plug I can use for the motherboard. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this out, put this in its place, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off, put some thermal paste there. I'll be back when I... Okay, so I'm back and pretty much got this motherboard in now, and I have the main setup and the cable there, I guess. And this is one for the secondary hard drive and hooked to in one of these other ports. Okay. So got that in there. Next I'm gonna go ahead and put this GTX 285 in there, which apparently was quite high end back in 2008, 2009. As you can see, GTX XFX. So I'll go ahead and put that in right here. Actually the SAG cable here, I think I'm gonna move this to a different port. I don't think it really matters much. I don't think it really matters exactly what port I use. I think I can just stick this over in here. That clicked in, so I know that's in there. Which I have a secondary hard drive here and an SSD up here. Okay, I'll go ahead and put this graphics card here and there. Go like that. It's gotta fall in there. So that should be in there. Yeah, see, it's all the way in. And this is actually my favorite screwdriver because it's kind of magnetized. Like that. And I know I'm getting fatter, so I need to do more exercise or cut down on my eating or something, I know. That should be good there for the ports. That should be good. See, you know, one thing about me is that I'm actually pretty comfortable building computers because I remember my very first computer that I built back in March of 2001. I believe it was back in February or March 2001. Was my very first desktop that I built. sure that these are secure. Anyway, my very first desktop PC had a 1 GHz Pentium 3 processor, 256 megs of RAM, and at first I put Windows Me on it, Millennium Edition, but then later on I upgraded to XP before I sold in 2003. And last but not least, for the RAM, I'm going to go with it's going to be 2 sticks of 2 GB DDR2, 1067 megahertz for a total of 4 GB. And it's a Core 2 Quad Q9550 and a GTX 285. Pretty much some top of the line stuff back in 2008, 2009. So I'll pop that in there. Okay, that is in there. And for the other one, it's also an identical one. Put in the second yellow slot. Got to use a little bit of pressure there. Make sure these clips click in. As you can see there, there's little clips there. They gotta click in. And I got the processor, cooler. It's a nice little cooler, by the way. Motherboard's in there, video card, all that. I got everything plugged up. Secondary hard drive, floppy drive, CD or DVD. I think I should be about good to go. So I'll be back, and I'll go ahead and set this up and get ready to fire up. Also, I was going to say, include with the cell here, I actually got these module RAMs here. These are actually lower speed DDR2 800, which are 1 GB each. This one's C4. I'm not sure what this one is. But they're all 800. I guess this might have a little bit lower latency. I'm not sure what latency this is. And came with this also. I'm not sure what this is, but it seems to have a some kind of port right there. An extra USB bracket if I want extra USB ports. Yep. Oh, I'll probably find out later what this is, but I probably don't need it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and see if I can fire up. Okay, so I'm back. I got it set back up here, so fingers crossed everything works. I'll go ahead and pull out this keyboard here, wherever I got it. Way back. Wow. It's way back there. Yeah, I'm going to. Yes, this keyboard got hooked to it. This actually goes to my Sony PC, but I'll use it with this one for now. And the mouse. This also goes to the Sony, but you know. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Power it up. Oh, here it is. Okay, we got a video, so that's good. F1. Gotta go into the BIOS and check our settings. Okay. Detects the SSD and the DVD drive. Actually, that's the SSD and the secondary drive, and the DVDs on the separate IDE. CPU. Says it's 2.26. I know I'll just leave it on auto for now. That can't be right. Seem detecting it correctly. Can't be that hot, can it? See, that can't be right. Pretty sure I put that core on there like it should. I do hear it go. Kerado. For some reason it says that the CPU is overheating. Not sure what the deal is here. .97, see it can't. Oh boy. I'm gonna have to see what's going on here. I'll be back. I see the problem here. I figured out the problem with the CPU temperature. Apparently, Seems like I put the fan on the wrong way here, so I'm gonna have to flip it over and try. So I'm back, so before I put this cover back on, I'm gonna try it again and see if that resolved the problem. Okay. Huh. Still saying temperature error. Can't detect TPM device, whatever that means. Ouch. Eee. Well, I know the fan's the right way, so I don't know what the deal is. Huh. It's kind of weird. It's still saying 97 for some reason. I don't believe that to be correct. Okay, I know this. The heat sink is down all the way. I don't know if I just put that on ignore for now. U code loading here, whatever that means. Does seem to be loading Windows.